Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to change this thing out. The flush handle. For those of you who get grossed out putting your hand down in here, remember this is fresh water that just gets dumped down when you flush it, but it's just clean water. So what happened, I'm going to wait till it fills. Okay, it's refilled again. This is the new handle. It was like $5.50 or something like that. But one of the things you need to remember is some toilets flush from the front, some do on the side, and some go on the other side. So when you're getting these, make sure you're getting the right angle. See, if I would have gotten one that was on the end here, it wouldn't work here because this long part points out this way. So you've got to get one that matches your flush. And before you go down to the store, just take a picture of what you've got, and then you can match it. So these are really easy to install. Probably harder to get out of the package than it is to install one. Yeah. Yeah, packaging is always a life blessing. There we go. And a lot of these are just very flimsy plastic. Yeah, I thought this handle was metal, but it's just plastic covered with chrome. So even though I thought I was getting a tough one, I didn't. So first thing we've got to do is remove this, and there's just a little nut here, and sometimes they're just hand tightened on. And usually just let's see, this may be a reverse one. Every once in a while they go in the reverse direction to tighten and loosen. And I think that's probably what this is. Yep. Lefty loosey, righty tighty doesn't work for this one. It's just the opposite. So when you're taking that off, gone for a swim. Yeah, it just snapped right there. Just a junk piece of plastic. So down here, I don't know if you can see that, there's just a little clip. That water's cold. There's just a little clip, it's like a paper clip that hooks into that hole. Throw that one away. And this one, we'll just turn it one way and then the other until we figure out which way this one comes off. There we go. Same direction. Have to take that off, pull it down off, stick this in through the hole, put that back on, and remember it's got to be the opposite of what you normally tighten things down with. Now this is going to be interesting because that just feels like plastic, and if I bend it, it's going to break. Boy, well, it does feel like maybe a cheap metal, but this might be $5 ruined if I bend it out. It was touching here, and I've got to bend it out so that it will not touch the wall of the toilet. It's in there. I'm going to put this wire on the end hole and hope that, so I'm going to tighten it right there where the chain is tight. Oops, can you tell what I did wrong? I put this on before I put the nut on. Okay, put the nut on and then the wire on. Okay, and you have to have this so it's just tight here. You don't want to have it way down, you don't want to have it way up here. If you have it way up here, the chain won't reach. And just tighten this puppy back on, and you can probably just hand tighten it. Okay, that's all it takes to replace one of those. And if the chain's too long, you can see I've actually bundled this one up from the last time we replaced it. You can have it long or short, and there's usually 2 or 3 holes. If you need to have it shorter, you can either tie a knot in it down here or just put the little paper clippy thing in a higher hole. And then it works. And you still do stuff away, and you're back in business. There you go. Like and subscribe, and let me know what else you'd like to see, and we'll try it. Thanks for watching.